Hey, what's up guys, today we will talk about Safe Trees project. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00064 and its volume is around $5,73,000. Blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will open Safe Trees portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 2801. Around 406 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is safetrees.space and this is its price $0.0000655 and BTC is 0.48% down, ETH is 2% down and low price is $0.0003 and high price is $0.00656 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is coin address. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 15 million Safe Trees coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 1000 trillion trees coin. After that we will open its website and click on safetrees.space. I have already opened this website and here these are menu bar like about, tokenomics, how to buy, properties, roadmap, light paper and FAQ. Safe Trees help us save what our children deserve. Safe Trees, a decentralized eco-friendly community where trees token holder earn passive reward and support environment centered project that benefit local trees growers who are doing the hard work in restoring our ecosystem. In other words, basically this coin based on environment and save trees and ecosystem. Trees and eco-friendly token. Safe Trees reward mechanism will benefit trees token holders indefinitely. The technology this community build creates environmental and economic value for the local trees growers, environmental and green philanthropists worldwide. Trees token is a utility asset used for offsetting carbon and footprint. Sustainable value creation. Trees coin is a community centric and managed by volunteers. Since team ownership has been burned, launch token allocation was completely seeded as a liquidity. The 2% of transactions are distributed to the holder. Hold and earn 2%. All transactions get distributed and trees holder 3% goes to liquidity. Means every transaction 2% back to the holders and 3% add to the liquidity. Dedicated community investor are committed talking trees token space and endless possibilities. Impact investing. Trees token holding provide liquidity to address environment issues. And our purpose, Safe Trees Eco Mission. 10 billion newly planted and mature trees worldwide are geotagged by 2025, minated and stored in blockchain. Those trees are minated and NFT can be trades and tree token. Safe Trees are adoption market. And our pipeline in progress to be released very soon. With cross-chain mobile application and block technology, we will provide a traceability solution for trees and ownership authentication as well as economic benefit to our app user. Research and innovation. And our top priorities: climate action, life on land and no poverty, gender inequality and decent work. And this is its roadmap. Q1 2021 idea generation and partnership creation. 1 pager light white paper proposal for team and partners. Token creation, token metrics and safe launch liquidity. Q2 2021 establishment of technical and marketing team, website design and social media release, exchange listing and partnership announcement, release of white paper, and UI means user interface design and prototyping of SafeTrees platform. 2022 and beyond, livestock traceability and authentication, agriculture commodities traceabilities and authentication, food progress decentralization monitoring and traceabilities, food products traceabilities and authentication. So main point of this project is this project based on safe tree and nature and ecosystem, and also help this project poverty, gender inequality and decent work. And guys, be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at own risk. Thanks for watching.